Hey guys, ECRG here. Just got done doing another resume review for a happy client, and I wanted to take a moment to talk with you guys about why you need your resume reviewed. And clinical research has become an increasingly competitive field. Even more competitive, it gets more competitive year after year, month after month. So wouldn't you want to make sure that you always put your best foot forward when applying to jobs? It is so competitive. You want to make sure that you stand out. And one of the best ways that you are able to stand out is your resume. Now, the cost, there's a price to the resume review and then there's a cost. The price is, how much it is up front. And we have our own, fair pricing options for you that are available. And you can email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com to find out more information about what else all is included with the resume review, because each package has different value components and different things added onto it. So you can email us there to find out more about that. But the upfront price of it is nothing in comparison to what the cost is of not doing it. So every month that goes by, you're potentially losing out on a couple $1,000s every time you don't have a job. So if you're in college, have no job, and you're trying to get into clinical research, every week, every month that goes by, you're losing money. And if months go by, you're losing thousands of dollars. So wouldn't you just be better off making that upfront investment into the resume review program to get your foot in the door, to get your resume at least into recruiters' hands? Because that is the problem that most people are facing. Hey, ECRG, I've applied to so many jobs and I cannot seem to get my resume in front of a hiring manager or recruiter. Hey, ECRG, maybe I haven't applied to enough jobs, but I still can't get my resume in front of the people that need to see it. How do I stand out? How do I get into the clinical research industry? Well, we created this service, this program for you guys to help boost your chances and give you a much better opportunity of getting your foot in the door of one of the best fields in America and across the globe. So the resume review service is available now. You can message us, or you can comment down below in the YouTube description, or email us if you're on the podcast or YouTube, eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. This is going to change your life. This is one of those things that you don't think that it could make a huge difference, but there's a lot of lacking places in people's resumes that they don't realize until we point it out. So we're going to comb through your resume line by line, and depending on the package you get, you'll actually get an either audio or visual file attached with your resume that's going to be edited and track changes, and you'll be able to understand some of the reasoning behind why we make those changes, so that you can implement that into your strategy moving forward, and also you can implement that into your interview strategy. So we're literally going to teach you how to use some of the points in your resume to your advantage. We're going to teach you how to leverage some of the points in your resume to make sure that you get the job, give you a better opportunity to get the job. And we're going to teach you about some of the positives on your resume, some of the strengths, and make those even bigger. And we're going to mitigate some of the weaknesses on your resume. So this is really good program. We've had a load of people who have been helped by this and didn't even realize how beneficial it would be. And they ended up getting even more value than they thought they would get initially. So really happy with it. That's why I'm making this video in the first place. And I think you should give it a shot, at least get some more information. So email us, eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. Trust me, guys, this program can change your whole career trajectory. All right, guys, like this video, share this video with all of your friends, anybody that's interested in getting into clinical research, and take care, guys.